And welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the question bank of Karnataka First PUC Computer Science Chapter 15 Word Processing. If you want the question bank or notes of other lessons, check the playlist of my channel. You can get from there. 1 mark question answers. Define word processor. Answer. Word processor is an application software that enables you to create, edit, print and save documents for future retrieval and reference. Mention any two general word processing software. Answer. Word Perfect MS Word. Mention any one important feature of a word processor. Answer. In a document file, you can make changes without retyping the entire document. If you make a typing mistake, you simply back up the cursor and correct your mistake. What is the general default extension file name for Word document? Answer. The default extension file name for Word document is star.doc. What does the title bar contain? Answer. The title bar contains file name, extension file name and application name. Define menu in a window. Answer. A menu is a collection of options that perform specific activities on the document. What does the toolbar contain? Answer. The toolbar contains various tools or shortcut buttons that are used in document processing activities. What is the use of vertical scroll bar? Answer. The vertical scroll bar is used to view the contents by moving the page upwards and downwards on the screen. What is the use of horizontal scroll bar? Answer. The horizontal scroll bar is used to view the contents by moving the page towards left or right sides of the screen. What is the function of a ruler in a word processor? Answer. The ruler bar allows the user to format the vertical alignment of text in a document. What is workspace? Answer. Workspace is the area in the document window where users enter or type the text of a document. Give the procedure to create a document file. Answer. The document file can be created using the file menu with option new or by pressing the keyboard keys Alt plus F and select new. What are the shortcut keys to create a document file? Answer. The shortcut keys to create document file are Ctrl plus N. What are the shortcut keys to open a document file? Answer. The shortcut keys to open a document file are Ctrl plus Op and choose the file name from the list. How is a file closed in word processor? Answer. The file can be closed by selecting close in the file menu. How is a word processor software closed? Answer. The word processor software is closed by selecting the exit option from the file menu. Define formatting. Answer. Formatting is the process of changing the attribute of a text document. What is a font style? Answer. A font style is a list of predefined font name, size and alignment for various kinds of text elements. What is the use of font dialog box? Answer. The font dialog box contains the tool buttons like font name, font size, font bold, etc. Write the utility of clipboard. Answer. Clipboard is used to place the previously done activities so that they can be recalled or redone. What are bullets? Answer. Bullets are special symbols that can be used in a list of items. What is a header? Answer. A header is a special area at the top of every page, normally located in the top margin area. What is a footer? Answer. Footer is a special area at the bottom of every page, normally allocated in the bottom margin area. Where are page numbers inserted in word processor? Answer. The page numbers can be inserted either in top or bottom margin. What is spell checker? Answer. A utility that allows the user to check the spelling of the words. It will highlight the words that it does not recognize. Define a table. Answer. A table is a collection of rows and columns. What is the use of a print preview option? Answer. The print preview option allows the user to view the document content as to how it will get printed on the paper before actually printing it. Next, 2 or 3 marks question answers. Write any 2 advantages of a word processor. Answer. 2 advantages of word processor are font size and type of fonts can be changed. Spelling can be checked and correction can be made automatically in the entire document. Mention any 2 important features of the latest popular word processor software? Answer. Two important features of the latest popular word processor software are: one can publish a Word document file as a PDF file, attach a digital signature to a Word document. Write the procedure to load word processor software. Answer. In Windows, to load MS Word, it is done as follows. Click on the Start button, select all programs, select MS Office, select MS Word. Explain the use of scroll bar and status bar. Answer. Status bar. The status bar displays information about the currently active document. This includes the page number 1 is working, the column and line number of the cursor position, and so on. Scroll bar helps user scroll the content or body of document. One can do so by moving the elevator button along the scroll bar, or by clicking on the buttons with the arrow marking on them to move up and down and left and right of a page. What is the difference between save and save as option? Answer. The save option is used to save the active file under the current file name, whereas save as can be used to save the file with a new name and in a new location. Write the procedure to open a document file. Answer. The procedure to open a document file is as follows. Load MS Word, select File menu, select Open option, select the file from the list. Explain copy and paste. Answer. Copy option is used to select the text for taking a copy, and paste is used to insert the selected copy of a text at any chosen location. Explain cut and paste. The cut option is used to select the text for move, and paste is used to insert the selected text in the document. The text is removed from its earlier place. Give the difference between undo and redo. Undo option cancels the last action done on the document, whereas redo redoes the last action done on the document. What is the sequence of shortcut keys to copy and paste? The sequence shortcut keys to copy and paste is Ctrl plus C for copy and Ctrl plus V for paste. What is the sequence of shortcut keys to cut and paste? The sequence of shortcut keys to cut and paste is Ctrl plus X for cut and Ctrl plus V for paste. Name the two types of GUI. Answer. The two types of GUI windows are fixed windows and pop-up windows. How is a document file created? Answer. A document file can be created using the following procedure: File menu, new option. Name two important options of a file menu. Answer. The two important options of a file menu are Open a document and Exit option. Give the shortcut keys to create a new file and open a file. Answer. The shortcut keys to create a new file is Ctrl plus N and Ctrl plus O to open a file. What is the use of page setup option? Answer. The page setup option is used to select the paper size and paper orientation. Mention any two options of print window. Answer. Two options the print window are page range and number of copies. Write the options of page range in print window. Answer. The options of page range in print windows are print all, print selected, current page, pages. Mention any two options of the edit menu. Answer. Copy, paste and paste special are the important options of the edit menu. Write the uses of find and replace options of edit menu. Answer. The find option is used to search for a specific text, and the replace option is used to replace the search text with a new text. What is the difference between normal view mode and page layout view mode? Answer. If the document consists of graphical picture and text, then it is the normal mode. To the graphical picture cannot be displayed. They can only be displayed in page layout mode. Name any two options of insert menu. Answer. Two options of insert menu are page break, tables, chart or spreadsheet. Explain page break. Answer. The word processor inserts a new page at the end of the current page automatically. If the user wants to end the page somewhere before the end of the current page, then a page break is used to break the page and take the cursor to the top of a new page. Give the difference between clip art and word art. Answer. Clip art contains readily available graphical images in different categories. It consists of colorful images with rich graphics. Word art is an application of text that can be presented as graphical rich text. The graphical text can be filled with effects shown upside down, wavy text, text in arc shape, etc. What are subscript and superscript? Answer: the subscript is a character that appears below the text baseline. For example, H2O. In H2O, the letter 2 appears below the baseline, and these letters are called subscript letters. The superscript is a character that appears above the text baseline. For example, a power 2 plus 1. In a power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 appears above the baseline. These are called superscript letters. What are columns in a word processor? How is a column inserted in a document? Explain. Answer: columns divide a page vertically into separate areas to insert text. To insert columns, use the following procedure. Select Format menu, column option, number of columns as 2. Press OK button. Next, 5 marks question answers. What are the advantages of a word processor? The following are the advantages of a word processor. Text is inserted by typing into the computer, which allows alteration to be made easily. Words and sentences can be inserted, changed, or deleted. Paragraphs or text can be copied or moved throughout the documents. Margins and page length can be adjusted as required. Spelling can be checked and modified through the spell check facility. Multiple document or files can be merged. Multiple copies of letters can be generated with different addresses through the mail merge facility. Drawings, clip art, and chart can be inserted in the document. Draw the screen layout window of a word processor. Label the parts and explain. Screen layout windows of a word processor. Here it is. And these are all the parts. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the currently active Word document. Tools bar. MS Word has a number of tools bar that helps the user perform tasks faster with great ease. Two of the most common toolbars are Formatting toolbar and Standard toolbar. Ruler bar. The ruler bar allows the user to format the vertical alignment of text in a document. Status bar. The status bar displays information about the currently active document. This includes the page number that one is working, the column and line number of the cursor position, and soon. Scroll bar. The scroll bar helps to scroll the contents or body of the document. User can do so by clicking on the buttons with the arrow marked on them to move up or down and left or right in a page. Workspace. The workspace is the area in the document window used to enter or type the text of document. Main menu. The word main menu is displayed at the top of the screen as shown. The main menu further displays a submenu. Some of the options are highlighted options and some of them appear as faded options. At any time, only highlighted options can be executed. Faded options are not applicable. In fact, the options is faded, user will not be able to choose it. Option faded under the current situation may become highlighted under different situations and become executable. How is a document file created? And explain. Answer: to load MS Word, user has to click on Start button, All Program, Office 2007, Word 2007. Then the document can be created by clicking on File from the menu bar and then selecting New option from the list. MS Word will prompt to choose a document or a template. The shortcut key for the same operation is Alt plus F to open the file option from the main menu. Then the default document and general and then is to be chosen. OK, clicked on a blank document, sets displayed to enter the text. MS Word gives a temporary name to this file as document 1 until the user saves the document with a file name. Instead of clicking on file and new, user can directly open a new document by clicking at the new icon on the standard toolbar. Explain the various tools of formatting the toolbar. Answer: font. It displays different styles of fonts available for the use of displaying their names. For example, Times, New Romans, Arials, etc. Font size. The text size can be increased or decreased by selecting the numbers displayed in the font size. Font size is measured in points. Boldface. Select the text to have boldface and click on boldface button from the formatting bar. Italics. Select the text to have italics and click on the italics button from the formatting toolbar. Underline. Select the text to have underline and click on the underline button from the formatting toolbar. Boldface, italics and underline buttons toggle between on and off. When the user wants to remove boldface, italics or underline, they can select the text again and click on boldface, italics or underline button to remove it. Subscript and superscript. User can add subscript and superscript to any type text. First, the text to be shown as subscript or superscript is highlighted. Then X2 or X2 bottom for subscript or superscript is clicked upon. Example, superscript 40th, subscript BT. Text background color and font color. User can select a color for the text background and for text also. There are two tool buttons in format tools bar to give background color to the selected text and to give a different color to the selected text. Write a note on text alignments. Answer. Alignment is arranging or inserting the text towards the left, right or center. By default, MS Word aligns all the text as left aligned. Left aligning text. The paragraph a text to be aligned is selected and the left align tool from the formatting toolbar is clicked upon to get the text aligned to the left as shown. Right aligning text. The paragraph or text to be aligned is selected and the right align tool from the formatting tool base is clicked upon to get the text aligned to the right as shown. Center aligning text. Center alignment moves the selected text and adjusts it to the center of the line. The paragraph or text is selected and the center align tool from the formatting toolbar is clicked upon to get the text aligned at the center as shown. Justification. After aligning the text, user may like to justify the whole paragraph. For example, for that, the paragraph of the text and is selected, clicked upon the justification tool from the formatting toolbar to get the entire paragraph aligned. Write a short note tables. Answer. Sometimes there will be need to present data and information in a tabular form while preparing reports along with the text. MX Word provides a special feature called table which helps to present the information in tabular form. Creating a table. To create a table in a document, insert option from the table menu is selected and where the browser wants to insert the table and then insert table if is selected after clicking on table from the menu bar. From the box, the user can specify the number of columns and rows and then click on OK to insert the table. A table consists of vertical columns and horizontal rows as shown above. The intersection of a column and row is called a cell. Grid lines are displayed between the cells. Entering text into table. After creating the table, the user can enter text by clicking on any cell. The tab key can be used to move to the next cell. Modifying table. After creating the table and entering the data, user can still perform various operations on the table which are described below. Inserting rows and columns. To insert a row at the end of a table, the cursor is brought to the last cell and the tab is proceed key. To insert a row within a table is brought the cursor to the row above which the new row has to be appear and then the insert row option is selected from the table menu bar. A new row gets inserted above the selected row. To insert a column option is selected from the table menu and then the insert column option. A new column will be inserted to the left of the selected column. Deleting rows and columns. To delete one or more contiguous rows in a table, the rows to be deleted and then are selected delete rows option from the table menu is selected. To delete one or more contiguous columns, the columns to be deleted and then are selected delete columns option from the table menu is selected. To delete an entire table, the table is selected and then delete rows option is selected from the table menu. Changing column width. To change the column width when pointed the column boundary that is to be changed, the mouse pointer will become a horizontal double-headed arrow and the column boundary the desired width and the mouse button released. You can also change the column width by selecting the column and then selecting the option cell height and width from the column menu. Enter the desired width in the width of column text box and click on OK to change the column width of the selected column. Changing row height. To change height of a row, point the row boundary that you want to change. The mouse pointer will become a vertical down-headed arrow. Then drag the row boundary to the desired height and then release the mouse button. Also change the column width by selecting the row and then selecting the option cell height and width from the table menu. Enter the desired height in the height of row text box and click on OK to change the row height of the selected row. Sort. Using this option, any column of the table can be sorted either on ascending or descending order. This is applicable only for the numerical values in the cells of the table. Formula. For numerical values, user may like to apply different mathematical operations. Using the formula feature of MS Word, user can calculate the values and insert at the proper place. The column width can also be changed by selecting the column, then the option cell width from the table menu. Desired width can be entered in the width of the column text box and clicked upon. Write a short note on bullets and numbering. Answer. Many times there may be needs to highlight some of the points on the documents in a list format. Such documents may contain list of items to which one would like to call attention, and so such items can be numbered or bulleted. This improves the organization and appearance of the documents. Adding numbers and bullets. To add numbers to a specific paragraph, format from the main menu is selected and then on bullets and numbering. Numbered tab is then chosen and the format of the number with OK will get numbers added to the list. In order to assign a numbered style, user has to select numbered, and to select a bullet style, select bullet from the dialog box and then click on OK to get new bullet style to the selected text. Removing number and bullets. When the user wants to remove the numbers or bullets, the list that contains the number or bullets is highlighted and none option from number tools or bullet tool is clicked upon. This removes the applied number or bullet. Write a short note on mail merge. Answer. Mail merge helps to generate letters by combining contents of one document with the content of addresses. In a situation where a same letter is to be sent to the addresses of many, then mail merge is used. Mail merge requires the main document and a data source document. Main document. In mail merge, the main document is the common letter which contains the common information. It also contains the field names which contains the instruction for carrying out the merge. Data source. Data source is also called the data file. It contains information that needs to be inserted in each page of the main document. Normally, it contains the address information. Form letter. Form letter is resultant document of the mail merge operations, which contains the copy of the main document along with each piece of information stored in the data file.